What up, guys? It's Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and I had a couple subscribers ask me my best ways of advertising. So I'm gonna show you guys some ways I advertise other than Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and groups. I'm gonna show you guys how I advertise. So start off with, I'll show you a couple things I do. I got these bad boys right here. It's a couple signs, bandit signs. Got this one right here, if you guys can see. And I also have this one right here, guys. Now you can throw up signs and not get no calls, but you gotta throw up signs in the right areas, guys. What you want to do is Google search the most busy streets in your area, and by doing that you'll know where to put the signs up, what telephone poles. You don't want to put them up in areas where there's no traffic. So Google search most busy intersections and streets where traffic's at, and that's where you guys want to post the signs. And this right here, guys, the bigger the better. This is a moving billboard. I get so many calls from this right here. And if you really get slow, guerrilla market, guys. Post this bad boy on busy streets, intersections, by parks where people are at. You don't want to, I messed up on my last trailer, guys. I got the wrong decals on the back. I got a couple calls off this one, but see this one, it's kind of small. You gotta be right behind me. And I should have used my logo on this one. This is my first trailer I bought, guys. I should have actually used this logo, but I didn't. So I messed up, but you know what? I learned. So with this one, I don't get many calls on this trailer, guys. So what I'm telling you is the bigger, the better. I get so many phone calls from just having this trailer moving down the road. People take pictures of it, say, I seen your trailer. That's why I hear a lot of guys say they don't get phone calls. I don't think their decals are big enough. So I get a lot of calls from this, guys. In another way, I also got the car decals, magnets. These are 50 bucks on Vistaprint. That's cheap way to market, guys. And for real estate offices, what I'll do is, when I first started, I don't do it as much no more, but I'll get stuff like this made up, these little flyers or business cards. These flyers work great. And what you want to do is, when you walk into the real estate offices, ask the lady at the front desk if you guys can drop them off in the realtor's boxes. And if they say no, ask them if they can. And sometimes they will. And that's a good way to market, guys. Hit all the real estate offices up and just do that, and you guys will get phone calls, I guarantee it. And also on Facebook or any other websites that I log on to and post stuff, what I do is, it's a little bit sun right here, hold up. So I don't know what just happened, but my phone cut off. Anyways, anytime you guys ever post anything on Facebook or any sites, make sure you guys put your website on there, so you guys have a link to your website. Check out my website. It's sonomastronghauling.com. It looks really professional. My girl made it on GoDaddy. So make sure whenever you guys post anything on Facebook or any free platforms, that you guys put your link on there. Because what will happen is people will go to your website, and that draws more traffic to your website, and then you'll rank higher on Google. So make sure you guys do that. Now let's talk about reviews. Yesterday I brought my Mustang to the shop, and the reason why I brought it to this certain place is because this guy knows what he's doing. He got good reviews. So reviews is a must. Make sure you guys get on Yelp. You got a Google business page so people can find you and get those reviews. Make sure you get reviews, because reviews are a must. And also, guys, word of mouth is just major. You can do one bad job for a real estate office, and they can tell all the other realtors that you charge too much or you did a crappy job. So make sure you do good work and word of mouth is major. So now, oh yeah, I almost forgot one thing. Let me show you one more thing, guys. So with these business cards, anytime you guys stop at a coffee shop or an apartment complex where by the mailbox they have places where you guys can thumbtack these up, or at an Ace hardware store where you can thumbtack these up, make sure you guys do that. I get a lot of calls from posting these up at places that have bulletin boards where I can post them, and I'll put about 8 of them in there, and I'll put a thumbtack on it, and you'll be surprised how many calls you get. So that's one more thing. I didn't want to leave that out, guys. Post these up at places where you guys can. Anywhere you slip a card in, do it. Then another way to advertise is just always wear your shirt anywhere you guys go. I'll walk into the grocery store, be in line, and you'd be surprised how many people will be like, what do you do? Sonoma Strong Hauling. I tell them I'm a junk removal business, and a lot of times they write down my number, or they'll take a picture with their phone and they'll call me up. So if you wear your shirt more often or your hat, you guys will get more business. So I'm gonna show you guys a few more things, how I stay busy and how I advertise. So when it comes to Facebook, I'm all about business. I won't put my picture of myself on my profile picture. I'll put a picture of my business, Sonoma Strong Hauling and Junk Removal. So whenever anyone's searching for new friends, I'll pop up and they might need my service. And what I'll do too is I got a lot of realtors as friends on my friends list, so I'll always post pictures of me doing junk removal. Bam, I'll post this on my timeline, and I'll do that every day, so I'll be in their face so they know who to call. And that's another way I network, guys. Besides posting in groups and Facebook Marketplace, it's a good way to network. And you can also add pictures to your story just to remind the realtors all the time who they need to call. So the last way I like to network, guys, is making these little videos for customers, so when they go to my website or when they go to my Facebook business page, they'll see these short little videos of customers that are happy and satisfied. So check it out. This is Matthew with Sonoma Strong Hauling, and I'm here with Brent in Cloverdale. How was our service today?
Wonderful. Very fast, thorough. Couldn't ask for more. Very happy with your service.
So these short little videos help me get business, guys. So if you guys like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and check out my other videos, guys. And if you guys want to see anything else, leave a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen, guys.